Potatoes are one of the most versatile vegetables that are rich in vitamin C and potassium. They're a great food source if you want to add healthy calories to round out a meal, and for the gym bros, they're amazing for bulking, so definitely keep them in your pockets at all times. You can cook potatoes in so many different ways, but today we are grilling them into a healthy snack. Hello everyone and welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where we bring you the best recipes this world has to offer. The potatoes that we are grilling today will turn into your new favorite side dish that you will probably want to add to every meal, even the ones that you really shouldn't. But before we grab our potatoes, be sure to leave a like on this video, click that subscribe button, and tap on that notification bell. Let's do it, guys. Come on. Now, let's get cooking. We are first going to grab 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes and slice them into 3 8-inch thick rounds. They have to be just thick enough to have that tenderness on the inside. When you are done cutting the potatoes, place them in a large pot and fill it with water to a level which is just enough to cover the potatoes. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt and bring the water to a boil. Once the water reaches the boil, we will need to reduce the heat to a simmer. Let's then simmer the potatoes for about 5 minutes or until slightly transparent around the edges but firm on the inside. Once again, remember that the inside of the potatoes has to be tender, so do not overcook them. Drain the potatoes and rinse them with cold water. Take away any excess water using a strainer and place the potatoes in a kitchen board or any flat surface utensil so that we can pat the potatoes dry with a paper towel or a kitchen towel until they are completely dry. Now we'll be making the dressing, which is technically a marinade and not a dipping sauce, since the potatoes will need to absorb it to acquire the flavors that we want. To make the dressing, use a bowl and add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped chives, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. Then whisk everything until well combined. Toss the potatoes in the dressing and mix them until every single slice has been covered. This dressing is what's going to give that savory taste to our potatoes once we grill them. Let's then set them aside. Now preheat the grill to a medium-high heat and place the potato slices directly on the grill. Let's then grill them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until grill marks appear and the potatoes are crisp on the outside. Place them in a plate and garnish with more chives. Enjoy these as a healthy snack or as a side dish for a meal. A bite from these potatoes is a guaranteed trip to food heaven. That's a promise. If you enjoyed cooking along with us during this recipe, please check the description box or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes to discover more healthy meals full of flavor. If you have not already, please support the channel by leaving a like on this video and clicking that subscribe button. Feel free to let us know what meals you usually eat with potatoes and also what is your favorite way to cook them. We love to read your feedback, so whenever you can, leave those comments below. Hope you all have a great day and see you again in our next video recipe.